When it comes to residential and commercial heating and air conditioning, Fawn Heating, Cooling, and Refrigeration has been the company used throughout Mississauga, Oakville, Brampton, and Etobicoke since the year 1999. With over 29 years of experience, Fawn Heating, Cooling, and Refrigeration has earned a reputation for honesty, quality, repair, and installation. Fawn Heating, Cooling, and Refrigeration are the experts when it comes to quick repair, quality craftsmanship, attention to detail, honesty, and reliability. We sell, service, and install all makes and models, specializing in 24-hour emergency service. Our services include air conditioning, boilers and zoning, furnace, heat pump, oil and gas, duct cleaning, and humidifiers. Fawn Heating, Cooling, and Refrigeration operates using professional, honest staff and experienced technicians. To experience the Fawn difference today, contact us at 905-271-6672 or visit us online at www.fawnheatingandcooling.com.